Good morning, teacher. My name is Brian Mahori Montera Mendoza, and today I will present a strategy of marketing analysis of Plaza Vea, the flashing brand of Supermercados Peruanos S.A. and Intercop. The logo used to be a rich red shopping bag, and now it's more modern. They have a rich logo to read ebooks, energy, appetite, and read deals instantly connected with The consumer. Plaza Vea is not a supermarket chain. It's a revolutionary modern retail in Peru, bringing organization, cleaners, and formal commerce to regions where traditionally formal markets well sway. The mission and vision. To understand their markets dominates less analysis, and this mission is clear and practical to offer the best shopping solution for Peruvian families, provide high quality products and the lowest price in optimal environment. The highlights their price focus on family representation the vision focus on market expansion and to be the the lady supermarket chain in Peru. Recognized for service excellence and constant innovation, and a strong commitment to the country development. The vision is aggressive expansion into the province of Peru's interior, rather than focusing solely in Lima. The competitive analysis. To understand Plaza Vea was position, we must analyze its ecosystem, those two direct and two indirect competitors. Direct competitors is Totus, the Falabella Group. They'll sell consumer goods with a strong emphasis on appliances and electronic. Their marketing is based on aggressive promotional campaigns centered on family purse, mom knows, and they compete directly in major shopping malls and Metros and Gosut Group. They focus on mass consumer goods, taking advantage of specific weekly discount events. They maintain a strong geographic presence in metropolitan Lima. Indirect competitors, Macro, and although they belong to the same parent company, Macro operates under a wholesale format element and small business and neighborhood stores. And neighborhood stores, this is Inglesy Giants. They sell fresh produce on a small scale, learning personal relationship, close proximity, and informal credit. They still control the grocery market in Peru. The, the SWOT matrix. Let's analyze the company internal and external health in depth using the SWOT matrix. Its main strength lies in the synergy with the Intercorp Group, which provides a massive financial backing, integrate the retail space, known the Real Plaza Shopping Center, and the direct financial engine knows the tarjeta or credit card. It may weakness with a high staff turnover in a personal position such as caches and stocker and common but costly channels in the sector. Plaza Vea is capitalizing on opportunities, particularly the expansion of the e-commerce market unknown in a urban district. However, its biggest there's in the high price sensitivity of Peruvian consumers due to the local economy, which makes shoppers very likely to resort to informal traditional chains. And the pest analysis. Uh, if we the macro environment for a pest prosperity, we observe the political instability in the local government impact private investment and consumer protection regulation. Economy on economic inflation on the basic food basket force Plaza Vea to optimize the operation margins to maintain in low price warranty. And the social rally card knows that convenience modern Peruvian families seek the satisfy their shopping needs or in a place to save times. Technology, the explosive worlds of peer-to-peer digital payments, such as Yape Play, and the urgent needs to automate supply chains to avoid stock outs.
Hello, my name is Rodolfo Natalie. I'm planning for the 5% to invest in attractive things to live high intensity environment competitive rivalry instinct relative for consequences consequences function and Falabella is the rational power of supply of to know to survey massive for transform in the country with the statement that uncommon conversion to consumer bargain night from of my right to income for Peruvian consumers and merchants in it and competitive for offers and less across the state. The consumer and shipping and the head of me and low density can right and temperature with the investment supermarket and fast food improve the inconvenience also sit verify and like and so even more Western but anyway after instant rifle among the sweat and very dead. Now let's examine that can execute control the flow they offer and comprehensive of course service version is electronic non-abstract language the line by Lewis less offering brand name money the attention is trust no airplane right. Persevere into the relationship and resistance turn them to the and function. Nation in involve public love and conception of consistent life in the relationships with human nature in the operating equal formal ranking like my question to supermarket seemingly tied to an income market or offering universally content from drawing the accuracy we find that technically because in this part of love exclusively from there are unbounded understanding they make so secure love that has never love is not consequently undermined comfort despite all persevere generally comprehending it is undeniably of leadership director no self-portrait involved that only them to marching that competitor can know that passing those previous directly to the consumer however execute from the life building on the into marriage sources where all kinds of education they are consistent right among the top company is the kind of all on investment into the American University for finance and high performance bonuses to store productivity to meet design impact and retain that number. With conclude strategic analysis, you can transform your time the power of the ecosystem persevere does not insist by making excellent supermarket if you because it is accurately by my intercom the synergy will really biting more and low in the very an incredibly high environment entry for range indicators seemingly unquite the time show nature and the real complementary information to increase of class must continue linguistic right and training strength and of the the proof of the has in that need change of seven let me mountain is let me change in the and later and the right attention the entire such with stories to fight for similarly testing with much before nation movement in the Persevere has been the whole life reminder they can see said it is big stay and they know it living night the guy to have one from of thank you very much.